The deep forest belt of Doda in Jammu region, the armed forces are constantly trying to ensure with their search operation that they are able to avenge the death of the brother in arms. The search operations, remember, are very difficult also. These are forest, hilly terrains. There's been no fresh contact with the terrorists, but during midnight, we are told, there was firing that was heard. Additional troops have been rushed. Massive search operations are on in the densely forested area. And two army jawans, meanwhile, have received injuries. While they're out of danger, they are stable. They are undergoing treatment at the hospital. Sunil Ji Bhatt is joining me for the latest on this on phone line. Sunil, as you've been tracking the latest from Doda on this, how should one make of what these current search operations are on? Because the terrorists clearly have an edge when it comes to the forest terrains. There are natural caves there. How are the armed forces trying to ensure that they get trapped and then these terrorists are neutralized?
Well, Pooja, a massive search operation is on across the length and breadth of Doda district, and not just Doda district, even in other hilly areas of Jammu region, be it Kishtwar district, Udhampur district, Rajouri Poonch. A massive search operation is on, and the security forces are trying their level best to flush out the terrorists who are hiding in the upper reaches. As far as this specific operation is concerned in Kastigad, around 2 a.m. at night, there was an exchange of fire between the security forces and terrorists, and it lasted for over 40 minutes. And in this, encounter, two of our army jawans have been injured. But the good part is that their condition is stable. They are out of danger. They have been airlifted and they are being treated at the Army's hospital, which is based in Northern Army Command in Udhampur. So their condition is stable, and as far as this search operation is concerned, additional troops have been rushed. They are trying to scan each and every stretch of this densely forested area. But as you said, that this is a very difficult area. There are natural caves which are used as hideouts by these terrorists, and unfortunately, there are a handful of local overground workers who are providing logistic support to these terrorists. And Doda police yesterday arrested two overground workers in the area, and as per the initial investigation, it's believed that they provided logistic support to these terrorists, and they even provided them internet connection through Wi-Fi.
That's the shocking bit here, and perhaps these are the overground workers. Even if these are fresh infiltrations, any sort of logistic shelter support that's coming in, which side is it coming from? Who are these people? That also needs to be nipped in the bud. Thank you very much for now. Sunil Ji Bhatt continues to track what's unfolding in Doda. Remember, after the encounter where these young, brave men in uniform decided to charge deep into the forest to flush out these Pakistan-sent terrorists, but sadly they were killed in action. Officer and 3 Jawan died in the gunfight. This happened on 15 July. Ever since, there has been brief exchanges of fire. Terrorists have been contacted, but for now we are told there's no latest round of fire that's been heard. Sadly, we have information from the ground that because of the sort of terrain that this is, terrorists have been able to escape from the site and have found loopholes. An intense search operation continues meanwhile. I want to mention here and add for our viewers that in Jammu region, specifically here, it's not just about the armed forces. There are local village defense groups. These are villagers who are participating also with the soldiers in this anti-terror operations. They are joining them shoulder to shoulder to put forth a clear support that in Jammu, these jihadist actions, these extremists will not be allowed to infiltrate further. But sadly, there are some OGWs that do provide logistic and shelter.
Right now we are standing at a far-flung village in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir, and for past many days a major counter-terror operation is on in this particular district of Jammu division. And it's not just the security forces who are carrying out this intense search operation. Even the members of the local village defense groups are also participating in this counter-terror operation. They are also carrying out search operations in their respective villages. These members of the village defense groups are playing an important role. We will speak to some of them and try to find out that what kind of challenges are they facing. जी आप बताइए आपका नाम?
रंजीत सिंह।
रंजीत सिंह जी, आप कितने वर्षों से ये जो ग्राम रक्षा समूह है इसके सदस्य हैं?
सर 25 साल से।
25 साल
26 साल से।
तो मुझे बताइए कि यहाँ पर एक बार फिर से आतंक जो है अपना सिर उठा रहा है, कितना चुनौतीपूर्ण है, और मुझे बताइए कि आप लोग अपना जो है क्या भूमिका निभा रहे हैं यहाँ पर।
सर ये बहुत चुनौतीपूर्ण है, बहुत ये दुखद हुआ कि दोबारा ये मिलिटेंसी शुरू हुई।
जोश एंड जज्बा ऑफ दीज विलेज डिफेंस ग्रुप मेंबर्स। मुझे बताइए कि क्या आप संतुष्ट हैं इस बंदूक से?
जी नहीं, हमें थोड़ा ऑटोमेटिकली वेपन चाहिए।
तो जो देश के दुश्मन यहाँ पर अपने पैर पसार रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे आप? क्या किस तरह का जवाब देंगे आप?
सर हमारे पास अगर वेपन अच्छा हो तो हम उनको मुंह तोड़ जवाब देंगे।
They will not allow the terrorists to gain roots in Jammu division. They will not allow terrorists and Pakistan to succeed in their nefarious designs. They are sending out a very strong message that Pakistan and terrorists will have to bite the dust in Jammu division, and they will be finished. Terrorism will be eradicated and all the terrorists will be eliminated. This is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.